So this guy just showed up. He's just hanging out. What's up, dude? What are you doing? You my spirit animal? Yeah? I'm taking that. Oh, you just... Oh! He's trying to get me. Go away. If I was smaller, you'd eat me. I know you would. Look at you. Yeah, you're a thug. Look at those talons, dude. Look at those talons. What are you doing? Trying to fight? Oh no. Oh, he had it again. Cousin Terrio, he had it again. Alright, I'll leave. If you don't like me, I'm just trying to hang out and enjoy this view, man. This view is killer. Killer. What? Oh, where'd he go? Oh, I don't like it when he disappears. Excuse me, sir. Ah! Ah! Sir? Don't be like that. Oh, he got that look in his eye. What's up, baby? Oh! Ah! Stop it! Stop it, Terrio. Why you gotta be like this? Why you gotta be like this, my man? Come here, little guy. Let's be friends. I just want to pet you. Yeah, I know. No, that's right. You scared, huh? You scared? Where you going? Uh-oh. Terrio? Oh, you sent me alone. This guy does not give up. I'm peacing, my friend. Ugh. Look out. Shoo shoo. Oh, oh. Don't go that way. Square me off. He's trying to square me down. Don't do it. No, bro. I'm trying to leave. It's like a bullfight. Out my way. No. No, he's trying. He won't let me leave. He's got me captive. Ah! Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh! Brother, you gotta quit this. I ain't trying to fight. I'm just trying to love. I don't want to run him over. Where is he? Alright. Alright, my little friend. No! I'm sorry! I didn't mean to call your mama fat. I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry. Hey, brother. Out the way. Out the way! Okay. Yeah! No, it's Jason! I'm gonna drive off this cliff. Alright, dude. I'm out. I'm out, B. What are you doing? Pretty sure this is an endangered species. And oh, here he is. He's like, oh, you thought I was gone, did you? Huh? Alright. Quit it. Quit it. He's chasing me. Ah! Ah! Ah!